northwest of Calgary that has that rainfall warning, and they are expecting another 20 to 40 millimeters of rain by tomorrow morning. It will be a gradual drying trend for them. Still today, though, significant rainfall on the way. And for our area, so let's, oh my gosh. Oh, of course you had to be right on my head. Oh, I just don't like that. Okay, I gotta move it.
Come on.
No, I hate it. I can't stand it.
You realize it's not there.
Christy, it's not in the room. It's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Seriously?
I'm so sorry. Okay, I gotta keep going here.
You okay?
Yes. You know what? It just really creeps me out.
I'll say. Wow. You want me to take over?
You want us to work on this?
No, it's okay. Sorry. Okay. So. So later today we are expecting some sunny breaks. 19 degrees should be our daytime high. So what we're dealing with is still a fair amount of cloud from that same system. I will clear this up. Don't worry about it. So we are still seeing a fair amount of cloud, but we will start to see sunny breaks, but we're not expecting it to